Good afternoon, everybody. This is Aaron Ninja and Jason here from MMT, and we wanted to do this video to say bloody thanks. We can't thank you guys enough. The support that we've received over the last 24 hours has been unbelievable, ridiculous, completely overwhelming. You've eased a lot of pressure that we were feeling, a lot of stress, a lot of angst, a lot of emotional build-up has been eased by your generous donation. So I don't know, we just can't thank you enough, eh? It's been ridiculous.
Can't put it into words, really. Like people from Melbourne, people overseas that have just seen us and support us on YouTube. It's been amazing seeing the outpouring and just every email that comes through with a different donation, no matter what size it is, anything that's just unbelievable.
Absolutely,
yeah. I'm just sort of, from our perspective, survival was really imminent. You know what was going to happen. So, and the emotional state you're in when you're worried about survival it's not a nice place to be. And then just when things were coming through, just the emails, the money was coming in, like our emotional state just changed just like that. And I suppose it just showed the humanity that's out there, and just the generosity of people. You know, even people that couldn't afford to give us money, they still wanted to give us money. It's
unbelievable, isn't it?
Crazy.
It's like people that were struggling themselves.
They
loved us so much and wanted to support us, and we've impacted them along the way somewhere, and they were scrounging around trying to find some money. And I guess it's an embarrassing or weird position for us to be in, but it's so humbling and beautiful to receive something like we did these past 24 hours. So we do know we give a lot, and we love giving, we love helping. It is really nice to receive and to know that there are people out there that do want to support us and love us, because sometimes you can give so much but you don't know where it's all going or if it's all worth it. But something like this, it's one of the most beautiful things to feel, I think, as a human, isn't it?
The community we've been able to build. And
absolutely.
That's what we strive for, is just creating a really good community around us and making everyone feel welcome. And I guess it gives a bit back to us of
absolutely, guys. So we can't thank you enough. We're never going anywhere. We'll always find a way, but you guys have just made that way for this point in time just so much easier. So thank you. We're going to get in contact with you all individually as well, but keep watching our socials and YouTube. We're going to be doing lives every single morning for the rest of lockdown. We're thinking of doing some live Q&As and podcasty things too. So there's going to be a heap of content coming back at you. We're going to try and give even more now. You know, it's made us, think we have to go to another level. So bottom line is just thank you so much, and stay tuned.
Thank you.
Namaste. Done.